Uh,
Okay.
so, ma'am, I've also realized this actually is a very true formation of our building our own relationship with our own self as well. That
In this extended.
means actually on self-awareness. It's also happening in our own process. Also, we are also getting to new phase, getting to know about a new phases. We are also conflicting with our own habits, characteristic traits, or perception we have formed about ourselves. And we go back to storming and then go to improving, and then we set rules that no, this is not right, that eating habit is not right, or that thing is not right, and then we move to the productive part. Then it's really, once I analyze it, it's more about how my relationship
Wow.
also improves with this complete dynamic.
I
Super.
love you. I love you.
Because I have, for me, it has been a very, for me, I've been a very self-reflective person, and it's been a journey about me only. That I know there is no problem in the world. I always feel the issue, and it's over here only, over here or this, that I am feeling or thinking or behaving in this way or doing this thing. But this process, what now I have also how I have improved. I've earlier when I used to go on this low energy, I used to stay in 2 or 3 days in bed, and I know what I have been. And now, if something like this happen, I push myself. No, Jessica, you're not that person anymore. You have made certain rules. You have to attend this. You have to do this. No matter what, you have to do it. And this all is leading to performance now, to my performance, and how I'm gradually
So true.
improving.
So true.
But again, storming happens. My old
Ah,
characteristic still kicks in because उनका एक momentum था, that also why you made me understand in NLP. So, but beautiful dynamic of relationship I analyze with myself.
wow. So beautifully you have enlightened us. Thank you so much for that. I've written it down. I'm going to write a post on this as well. Writing your name also. Please allow me to mention your name there also.